Hi, Jim Dieters here. We are doing a customer tour this year, and I'm happy to be sitting in Chicago with a great customer of ours, Cars.com, and my good friend, Kayne Grau, the VP of Technology. Great to see you.
Hey Jim, how are you?
I'm doing awesome. We are talking about several different instances and uses of Webster Portal. Lotus Connection is being used in another. There's Tivoli, securing it and managing identity, as well as connectivity and integration leveraging data power. The application hamburger, as we say. So your business insight ultimately needs to be deployed with technology. And that stack of applications from the user interface through the process layers, the data layers, and all the tooling in between to make that work are essential to your success. So Kayne, here we are at Cars. First off, for everyone watching this, what is Cars' mentality and acceptance and belief about technology's role in your success?
Most importantly, probably over the last 3 or 4 years, we've put a significant investment in technology. We've purchased many tools from IBM to build out our platform, and that is to enhance the customer experience. That's to get our data to the site real time. But really, at the end of the day, it's to deliver the most optimal customer experience to both of our consumers and our dealers, whether it's through the dealership tools or a variety of other means. So the experience is king for us. Content is extremely important. The delivery of the content, so the speed of that content is extremely important. And yes, being in the e-commerce world for almost 15 years, I'll tell you that every consumer is always one click away. So we have to be a step ahead of our competitors, whether that's performance, whether it is content, we have to be optimal at all times.
But the big driver behind this in terms of technology, we've really looked at data power as being core to that. We're using it primarily to connect outside vendors to our enterprise. We have several initiatives this year that have data power at its core. These are all things that Cars.com isn't going to build. We're not in the fraud business. So we rely on a large network of third parties to provide these technology services, and the intermediary between these to make sure the connections are sound, fast, reliable, and secure is data power. And we want to ensure that our end user, our consumers, have the best possible experience they can. So we use data power to essentially broker several calls between third-party partners that we work with to provide services, one of them being fraud. It was a project that Ascendant helped us out with in terms of understanding, getting the technology in place, understanding our environment, our business, and how data power could help this process with much success. Our fraud error rates have gone down dramatically as a result of the project, and it was a great success.
We can't focus just on one tool at any one given time. So we needed to find a partner that was multifaceted in the sense that had knowledge across the suite of tools. And how do we leverage that and bring it all together? So exactly what you're saying, Jim, from the front end to the back end and everything in between, we really want to have a partner that could understand what Cars.com is out to accomplish. How do we support millions and millions of visitors a month and drive down costs at the same time? And Ascendant has done a fantastic job of not only looking at one tool, but looking at the suite of tools and pulling all the pieces together.